Hello friends, welcome to Tasty Appetite. Today let's see how to make egg paratha easily with batter in just 5 minutes. The interesting part is it doesn't require kneading or rolling the dough as we used to do for regular parathas. We know eggs are rich source of protein and this power-packed breakfast recipe is perfect enough to start our day feeling delicious and healthy. So let's get started with the recipe. First let's prepare the liquid dough. I'm gonna add 1 by 4 cup of warm milk to the mixing bowl, 3 by 4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of raw sugar, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and half teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now let's whisk everything together. Next I'm adding in 2 eggs to the bowl. Let's beat the egg mixture well until it turns creamy and smooth. Then goes in 1 cup of warm milk. Give a quick mix until it combines together. Now let's add our veggies. 1 teaspoon of finely sliced green chili, 2 tablespoons of grated carrot, finely chopped coriander leaves, and some chopped onions. Also you can add any veggies of your choice. Next let's add 1 cup of wheat flour. Let's add the wheat flour in portions and combine the batter. Whisk everything together so the batter is free flowing and smooth. If required, you can add 1 by 4 cup of milk to adjust the thickness of the batter. And finally, let's add 2 tablespoons of oil to the batter and mix well. This should be the thickness of the batter. Our paratha batter is ready, so let's start preparing our egg parathas. Smear some oil to the fry pan and heat it. Once the pan is hot, add 2 ladlefuls of batter and spread it to circle. Let the parathas cook in medium heat for few minutes. You can see small bubbles start appearing on the surface, so let's flip the parathas and cook it on the other side. Cook it for another 2 minutes or until the parathas turn golden brown on both the sides. Add a teaspoon of oil or butter and cook for 1 more minute. You can see the paratha is cooked beautifully. Let's transfer it to a plate. Our soft, yummy, delicious egg paratha is ready. Let's prepare another type of egg paratha. Drizzle some oil. Let's add 2 ladles of batter. And I'm gonna add 1 egg on top of it. Spread the egg well on the batter. Sprinkle some salt and pepper powder on the egg. Spread the egg and let the paratha cook for 2 minutes in medium heat. Flip the paratha and keep pressing it using spatula so that they cook soft and fluffy. Let the heat be in low-medium only and cook it for a while. Now you can see the egg paratha is cooked nice, golden and fluffy. It can be served immediately and it pairs up great with raita or any sauce of your choice. Our tasty and delicious soft parathas are ready in just few minutes. This healthy paratha can be taken for breakfast or a brunch and kids would love to have it because of its soft yummy taste. Do try this amazing recipe and share your valuable comments. Also subscribe to my channel to receive more new updates. Thank you for watching. Until I meet you all with the next easy recipe, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.